Hello and welcome back to Vintage Nook, your cozy corner for timeless home inspiration. Today we're exploring 10 affordable ways to make your bathroom look elegant and expensive without a full renovation. From simple styling tricks to smart upgrades, these ideas will help you transform your space into a luxurious retreat. Whether you love modern minimalism or classic charm, there's something here for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the inspiration. Lighting plays a powerful role in shaping how a bathroom feels. Swapping out harsh, outdated fixtures for warm, layered lighting instantly creates a more luxurious ambience. Consider soft white bulbs and stylish sconces to add depth, making the space feel thoughtfully designed rather than purely functional. You do not need designer fixtures to achieve elegance. Affordable pendant lights or modern LED mirrors can dramatically change the atmosphere. Focus on creating a soft glow that flatters surfaces and enhances textures, giving your bathroom that high-end hotel feel without the high-end price tag. A large mirror can instantly make your bathroom appear more spacious and refined. It reflects light beautifully, opening up the room and giving it a brighter, cleaner aesthetic. Frameless or minimally framed mirrors often create a sleek, modern look associated with luxury interiors. If replacing your mirror is not an option, consider upgrading the frame. Adding a simple metallic or wooden border can elevate the design dramatically. This small adjustment creates a focal point, making the bathroom feel curated and intentionally styled rather than purely practical. Neutral tones like white, beige, gray, and soft earth colors evoke calmness and sophistication. These shades are often found in luxury spaces because they create a clean, cohesive look. Repainting your bathroom in neutral tones can instantly transform it into a serene retreat. Pairing these colors with subtle contrasts adds depth without overwhelming the space. For example, combining white walls with darker accents can create balance. The key is consistency. allowing every element to blend harmoniously while maintaining a polished, high-end appearance. High-quality towels can make a surprising difference in how your bathroom feels. Thick, fluffy towels not only enhance comfort but also contribute to a spa-like atmosphere. Displaying them neatly adds an element of intentional styling that feels both inviting and luxurious. Choose neutral or coordinated colors to maintain a cohesive look. Rolling or folding towels in a uniform way can make even budget-friendly options appear premium. This simple detail elevates everyday essentials into design elements that enhance the overall aesthetic of your bathroom. Adding plants brings life and freshness into your bathroom space. Even a small plant can soften hard surfaces and introduce a natural element that feels calming. Greenery is often used in luxury interiors to create a connection between indoor and outdoor environments. Low-maintenance plants like ferns or snake plants thrive in humid conditions. Placing them on countertops or shelves adds visual interest without clutter. This affordable touch creates a vibrant, refreshing atmosphere that feels carefully styled and effortlessly elegant. Replacing old cabinet handles, faucets, and towel bars can dramatically improve your bathroom's appearance. Modern finishes like matte black, brushed gold, or polished chrome instantly add a contemporary upscale feel to even the simplest spaces. These small details often go unnoticed individually but collectively create a strong impression. Choosing matching finishes ensures consistency and cohesion. This simple upgrade is cost-effective yet impactful, making your bathroom look thoughtfully designed and significantly more expensive. Clutter can make any space feel smaller and less refined. Introducing stylish storage solutions helps keep your bathroom organized while enhancing its visual appeal. Woven baskets, glass jars, or minimal shelving units can elevate everyday storage into decorative elements. Keeping surfaces clean and organized allows key design features to stand out. When everything has a designated place, the room feels intentional and calm. This approach not only improves functionality but also creates a polished look associated with high-end interiors. A well-chosen shower curtain can act as a focal point in your bathroom. Opt for fabrics with subtle textures or elegant patterns to create visual interest. Avoid overly busy designs and instead choose something that complements your overall color scheme. Long floor-grazing curtains can make ceilings appear higher, adding a sense of grandeur. Pairing the curtain with quality rings and a sturdy rod enhances the overall look. This simple change can transform the entire space without requiring a major renovation. Luxury is not just about how a space looks but also how it feels. Adding candles or subtle fragrances can elevate the sensory experience of your bathroom. Soft scents like lavender, eucalyptus, or vanilla create a calming and spa-like environment. Display candles in simple, elegant holders to enhance the aesthetic. Even when not lit, they contribute to the overall design. This small detail makes your bathroom feel more inviting and indulgent, turning everyday routines into moments of relaxation. A clean, uncluttered space is the foundation of a luxurious bathroom. Removing unnecessary items allows the design elements to shine. Focus on keeping only what is essential and arranging everything in a neat, intentional way. Regular cleaning and maintenance play a crucial role in maintaining this look. Shiny surfaces, spotless mirrors, and fresh linens create a sense of care and refinement. Simplicity, when done right, often feels more expensive than overly complicated designs. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with Vintage Nook. I hope these ideas inspired you to create a bathroom that feels both beautiful and refined without overspending. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future inspirations. I'd also love to hear from you, so share your favorite idea in the comments below. See you in the next video.